Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out the Oroclear Earwax Cleaner. It claims to clean stubborn, deeply embedded wax in seconds, using a combination of vibration and suction. The product comes with 2 reusable suction tips and a soft silicone attachment, making it supposedly safe for both adults and kids. It's lightweight, portable, and comes in a travel-friendly box. Sounds convenient, right? But before you rush to buy it, let's look at a few things that raise red flags. First off, the website selling Oroclear was just created in November 2024. That makes it very new, and new websites with no track record often turn out to be risky. On top of that, there's no official presence on social media, no Facebook, no Instagram, which is unusual for a real, trustworthy brand in today's digital world. What's even more concerning is the feedback on Amazon. The exact same product is being sold there, but the reviews are mostly negative. Buyers have reported that the suction power is extremely weak, the vibration is loud and annoying, and the device doesn't actually remove any wax. Some even said it's unsafe, especially for kids, and that the so-called soft silicone tips are actually hard plastic. Several reviews also appeared on the same day, and none were from verified purchases, which seems suspicious. Additionally, the product is listed on another questionable website with the same exaggerated claims. There's no clear brand background, no visible customer support info, and the promises, like deep clean in seconds with zero pain, feel too good to be true. So is Oroclear legit? Based on everything we found, the new website, fake-sounding reviews, poor customer feedback, and lack of transparency, it's best to stay away from this one. Don't take risks with your ears. Do your research and stay safe.